Hello friends, in today's video, I'll be sharing some top tips and tricks to help your succulents thrive in their new pots. Succulents are often thought as slow growing plants, but in fact, their growth rate depends on the type. At some point, all succulents need repotting. They may outgrow their current pot and be best suited in new larger one. The general recommendation is to repot succulents every 2 years, but that depends on the specific conditions and the growth of the plant. Repotting allows the roots to spread out and access more nutrients and water, promoting healthier growth and preventing root rot. Let's dig deeper into the process of repotting succulents. Here are a few more steps to guide you along the way. First of all, you need to prepare your succulent's new home. Find a pot which is slightly larger than its current one. Place a small stone over the hole at the base of the new pot. Fill the new pot with fresh potting mix. The potting medium has to be porous with excellent drainage. A special succulent and cactus potting mix is ideal. Remove the plant from the old pot. Turn the plant sideways and pull out the plant by grabbing it at the base of the stem. Clean the plant by trimming any roots that are dead or broken. Similarly, extract all the succulents from the current pot and replant them in a new one. Another indication to repot succulent is if they are growing new offsets. You need to do it so the succulents have more room. It is very important to repot in a bigger succulent pot so the succulents and its new offsets have enough roots. Now place the succulents in the center. Cover the roots completely with potting mix. Make sure the leaves are all above the soil level to prevent rotting. While using one hand to keep it upright, fill the planter with more soil mix until the roots are fully covered. Make sure the soil isn't touching the leaves, as this can lead them to rot. Now gently press down the soil to compact it. While repotting, I'll also share some more caring tips. Wait for a few days before watering your newly planted succulents. Keep the newly repotted plants in a shaded spot for a few days. Do not fertilize the plant immediately after repotting, but wait for a few weeks, as the plant needs its energy to adapt to the new soil instead of putting out new growth stimulated by a fertilizer. No matter how careful you are, repotting succulents damages the root system, which causes transplant shock. Signs of transplant shock include yellow or dropping leaves and a limp, weak look to the entire plant. Most succulents recover within 2 weeks, but it's possible that repotting will kill an overly stressed succulents. I really hope you had a great time watching my video. I put a lot of effort into creating it. If there is anything specific you'd like to see in the future videos, or if you have any suggestions, then let me know. Please hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to share. Happy gardening!